Hello again, everybody. Bub here. Quick recap from last week. Take the soybeans first. Soybeans really didn't do much of anything last week, trading in the November contract between 950 and 960 area, where it's been for the last few weeks. If this week sees soybeans without moving much at all, it will be one of the narrowest range months in the last year, actually a little bit over a year, that we've seen soybeans have such a narrow range. In the corn, for the last 9 weeks in a row, corn has been making an up week and a down week and an up week and a down week. Every other week is up, every other week is down. Last week was a down week for corn. It really hasn't gone anywhere though. In both corn and soybeans, I have to say the option positions that have been working in both of those markets have been short premium and collecting theta in markets that really are trading in a choppy sideways fashion, and this has been a typical April in that sense. That's the kind of option position that makes money. In the wheat, we saw a pretty big sell-off in the winter varieties last week. The Minneapolis held up, it held its own. As a matter of fact, the spread between the premium that the Minneapolis has over the Chicago wheat is at a new high for the July contracts. One of the things that's not surprising is to see the grains and soybeans higher this morning coming out of the week, coming out of last week. The combined open interest in corn, beans, and wheat, I should say the combined number of contracts that managed money is short, is at near a record high amount. In situations like that, it's not unusual at all for absolutely no fundamental reason whatsoever for you to get short covering rallies. It's more difficult to press it to new lows than it is to see the market have a couple of up days. So we really, if the seasonal holds, and the last week of April here turns out to be kind of a narrow range, choppy affair, we would expect the month of May to see some change in that. Particularly the last couple of weeks of May, you start to see, you typically start to see the market start to move, and in that case, those short option positions probably won't work as well as they have been for the last 2 or 3 months. So with that, I'll leave you and say till next week, good luck, good trading. Bye.